Gagasi FM.
The sound of KZ.
Views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
I recently went through an encounter where, so I dated this chick.
Yeah.
Yakhishwa enye. So long as you focused again.
Yeah.
Memo ngiposta ngenzani. So when we broke up, wabuya lo wathi nisajola nalo ngisibile ukhuluma ngani athi naku samposting and sengikhohliwe yabo ukuthi I deleted Instagram but I didn't delete Facebook, it linked, you know. So lento yokuposta bethu I don't know, like I'm on two ways about it. Like I feel like uma post it's you celebrating uthando nomuntu wakho, you know, showing off what you have, you know. But ikuthi umuntu akakubikela umessage and once wajika wena ususele nabantu abathi hawe hey uphi umehla makhulu yabo umehla makhulu kanti umehla makhulu yabo, and now you need to come back and explain and whatsoever. But ukujola in an era ya social media is really difficult because it's like a relationship yakho ya show off ngayo. You know, nami I noticed there's a girl I talk with yabo, and she we madly in love like for the past couple of months. Ngibona sekuthula akasapost nengalo akasapost nesondo lemoto and ngiyabona ukuthi
yeah, I don't know. I don't. Have you ever dated and posted publicly?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think once got.
Yeah.
It was embarrassing about a long distance relationship. So every time we fly, and bese ngikhona la ekhaya. Yes, bese ngisebenza la ekhaya. So I will fly from time to time. No, and you should see it. So But they know they must associate any team ball because of being flyer to that city. Abo phela wawusemathandweni uJethano. Okay, now kuyathembisa. But once kwaphela iyakushaya semzimbeni sikhuluma nje heartbreak ne break up ubonto iyakulimaza lento ukuthi abanye bake bethi do not invest kubudlelwane, invest in yourself, invest kwintombazana. But yothini ngoba yonke into phela ekugcineni it's more of ama movements azothinta imali. So it's more of uyaqhuba ubudlelwane but ekugcineni khona lapho ushayeka khona ayibuphela
impilo phela le
yo
mina bafethu ngiyofela khona mina ngiyofela ku relationship mina
hayi nami ngisho njalo
mina
ukuthi hayi angigive
khona mina le ukuthi bathi ungayenzi so
amarona usumnandi ulelile ingane wena.
But either way makungaphela ngiyabuyela ngiyothola okunye ngiqhubeke ngako.
Sonic
mina ngiyofela ku Sonic angigive up kuma relationship bayingaphela kusasa. The day after, in fact, by the end of tomorrow, I was saying Jola food.
Hey, mina guys, I'm just over admin yokwazi umuntu kabusha and open up
mina ngithi kumazi
kanjani yabo my way of living, you know, because it's gonna swap DNA futhi. So in the back of my mind, you know, every time when I go through a breakup, I think this is what I need to go through.
So hluleka zizamile.
You know, and in most cases vele umuntu bumkhipha ngomuntu. You know, that's what I did before. Yabo, until I realized ukuthi awudeal nenkinga, you know, kahle, you know, and it's very important to deal with inkinga, reflect ukuthi okay, now na mama phuthami, as much as something I was let down here, but now na mama phuthami, so this is what I need to do better in the next relationship. You know, at some point nje ukhipha ishandisi ungena ishandisi uqhubeke nempilo.
Well, ayishaya isentiments efanayo nekaNives. Hayi nami ngithi hayi siyobhubhela khona mhla umhlaba kuthi uyabhubha kwenzakalani. Because after okwenzakalile ngayithuko sengikubunye ubudlelwano engisekubo namanje ngakwazi ukuthi ngahila ngendlela. Yes bekwakubuhlunga leso sikhathi process kwenza but I had to move ukuphuma outside of ungahlali kakhulu endlini uzobabona abantu baningi hayi baningi.
And how important is it to talk about le breakup? Nathi zele abafana. How important is it to ukukhuluma nge breakup? Because ama-out amaningi ayafela ngaphakathi.
I think it just depends on the type of guy that you are and how you process it. For me personally, I think I am fortunate enough that I've built a circle of friends that I know what I can talk to Sonic about. You know, what I can talk to this one about and this one about. So the other part of it, somebody was saying to me, is that you don't put all your eggs in one basket. So angeke ngifike nje ngithi kuSonic, hey Sonic, anginamali intombi yami ngilahlile lo nalo nalo. Ngifike ngikhulume noSonic ngemali, ngifike kuwena ngikhulume nawe maybe ngithi kuwe hey mfethu intombi yami ngilahlile because I know ukuthi you understand and I know ukuthi my secret is safe here because that's the other thing about heartbreak. As a man, it's something you're secretive about it because unfortunately, whether we like to admit it or not, emotions make you seem like you're a weak individual. And we live in a jungle. And the weakest get taken out. I always say, and maybe as well, I'm a part of the problem. Tabanga mam, but you know, the moment you are weak and you show your hand too much to Muntas Fazan, they will take advantage of it. Then back to
You.
And does it help being in the entertainment industry where everyone is about your business? Does it also help?
Post, because the moment you post, you are inviting people with relationship. You have published this thing, and the moment you publish something, it's out in the public domain for people to speak about what has been published. And this is the very important thing about publishing. Then you can't now say Kala Uzoti, I need space and privacy. No. Begumnandi bo publish. Now we want to know now. Let us in.
They will make a reference. Right to the right of our needs.
Exactly.
Yeah. So
for me, I don't post. Let people make up their own minds. If I can tell you the number of times I've heard I'm divorced, and I've said, oh, okay. And I've kept it moving because the moment I entertain it, I give it more legs. The moment I engage you, now you have a right to speak on my relationship.
Yeah.
Peacekeeping come. So what right to ungena?
I know guys we have hinted at Lily Point.
Yeah.
And he pointed manje.
Yeah.
Valentine's Day is coming. Iyeza isikhona this weekend. Uthando ke njengamanje kunina gents. Lumi kanjani right now? If they can give you nje isikhathi to confide usho ukuthi ngabe mina nothando ngila manje.
Mina nginothando eliningi to give.
Yeah.
I've got lots of love to give.
To mom.
I have lots of love to give.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't, as I said to you guys earlier, I believe in love. I really, really love like I've never been hit before. And for me, that's the most important thing is give love. The world needs more love. So I give love.
DJ Sonic?
But I think kunzima ukuthanda as if I've never been hurt before.
Yeah.
Maybe it's certain patterns that remind you what I've seen this movie before.
Yeah.
Bese hey no Kiliboni wenza njena nombali wenza njena no yabo.
Thanda besuthu.
Outside.
I've been there.
All right.
I've been there. But ngiyalithanda uthando and Valentine's Day for me it's something that I don't really want to say I don't believe in, but if I participate, I'd also love to experience nomuntu amanginingi leyo experience ukuthi okay celebrate usukuleyithandana hayi sekuyinto outing manje ke sengiyo ibook oma dinner date sekuyinto yami angisathola vokal, you know. So basically ngiyalithanda uthando kodwa Nkosi yami silibele silibele.
I will say Naves.
Yeah.
Mina right now.
Yeah.
Ngidinga noma ngithanda umuntu ongithandayo ngibona ukuthi ungithanda kakhulu. Sengike ngathanda before njengamanje it's time ukuthi lo nguyena that I think ngiyambona ukuthi uyangithanda. Okay, I will say I can love this person.
No.
Because
you're talking in the third person.
Ukhona okuthandayo manje.
Ukhona okuthandayo manje.
Yes.
Now uyamthanda.
Yes, I do.
But manje ngeValentine wena ufuna kukhombe ukuthi ukuthanda more than wena umthanda.
No, it kumele kube balanced. Ngiyakholela.
So what are your plans for her?
There will be gifts there and there. I won't lie, we'll podcast and podcast. So we'll share my gifts. Yeah.
My question to you, gents, is there a amount of money that you kept yourself at, or are you guys like the blow the bank Zishe for Valentine's?
Well, kule economy yenye indoda engisho, I will say uyabona nawe ukuthi
Umenja.
userious kangakanani nawe ephaketheni kangakanani, but if ubone ukuthi hayi no, this one siphathene kahle, so you can break a bank lapha nalapha, but hayi exaggerate phela. No, I will not exaggerate.
Okay, so Nick,
mina ngithanda ukuspenda imali kanye. Angithandi nje ukuspenda imali.
Ucabanga kaningi.
Valentine's Day, I don't like spending money on that day. Nice simple dinner, flowers, whatever I feel like getting you, nice. That's why I kept it. But the birthday, I call out.
what's the most you've spent on a partner?
On
Valentine's Day. Asabi, safe space.
mfana. You go to phela kuzochurch.
Ah,
I think
Luto.
I think Boma 1.5. It
1,500.
was flowers. Engocha. I went to Engocha, I bought flowers, and then I took her out for dinner.
1,500.
1.5.
Yeah. But I want to say less.
DJ.
I want to say less. Guys, I don't believe in Valentine's Day.
Mina listen.
Well, I will not say fika, but if you can just imagine flowers, price of a dinner date, and a bag. Yabo lama bag la khona leqala ngo-C yabo. No R.
Right.
Yeah, so yeah.
See?
Akayenze ngisho yabo no R futhi yenze ngisho. So you'll see ukuthi hayi.
Hey.
Hey, you are a lover. Wena you are a lover. Ngazenzi ngono mfethu. I'm my predicament is the birthday is the 15th,
Yeah.
Valentine's Day is the 14th.
Oh, so you better mama on Sunday.
So, but fortunately for me, she said, "Yo, khohlwa
Valentine's.
yeah, asifocus kule enye."
Oh, no mfazi ba.
Yabo.
Ah,
So yeah, but I won't mention the figure, but it's an open
But
tab.
it's a birthday.
yeah.
Listen, Chief, it's an open tab and it's still running. Because, yay, ngaze ngayifaka
But
endlini.
unenhlanhla ipanqaka ne-birthday.
Akusinhlanhla la things because there's still the expectation, whether they admit it or not. There's still the expectation.
Expectations out there.
The expectation is still to say, like, for example, what I do for her on her birthday, like in this instance, this year, Valentine's on Saturday, birthday's on Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
So Friday, kumele kubonakale ukuthi kunomuntu in the picture. Kumele uthumele imbali kuphi? E-officeini.
Okay.
Uyangithola?
So
It's a
it's a happy
Sunday.
birthday, happy birthday.
Nenote.
Sunday kumele uphinde alinye ilanga Sunday.
Yeah. More flowers.
More flowers, cake. There's le ngane lezi nazo zifuna ukuthengela uma wazo enye into engane lezi nazo understand imali nje zifike zithi hey I saw this thing ma we check out yo Thixo wami ibond yonke phela le bafuna ukuyisebenzisa bona one day,
Yeah.
you know. So it's that I think and there's something you touched on which I think is very important. I think abantu besifazane have made Valentine's Day usuku labo like a second birthday.
Yes. Yeah.
In fact, third birthday because nano Christmas bathi owabo. Bagqokisa amapijama lapha so kuma photo shoot uyibuza ukuthi kahle what's uyangithola
Sengwa ama-gift ngemali yakho.
on top of that. So I it's one of the things that really make relationships so is transactional the word because they are taking the entire time.
Yeah.
But you said something very important that if you found somebody who loves you the way you love,
Yeah.
they will match your energy.
Sure.
And I think that's the most important thing is to umuntu who will match your energy.
I mean, the last time I said that to a woman, yaphela relationship.
Bahamba.
Yaphela relationship. It was like, yeah, Valentine's Day. You're like, what are we doing? I'm like, I don't believe in Valentine's Day, but I'm open-minded about it. Like, show me how uyenza into yakho. Nami ngizobona njenge out ukuthi ngenaphi. Okay, lots. Hey, I'm not gonna do that. When nje
Right, ukusizile
you are
lo.
taking me out. You're gonna do this. Ngathi mina Valentine's Day ngizobe ngihleli kwami ngiqeda ukusofa ngizibukela i-TV.
Ukusizile.
And the reality is like that now.
Yeah.
Well, yes, it is.
Gents, before Sivala, the one thing I need to find out from you is how do you cope with heartbreak? What is your coping mechanism? I've seen women speak about siyafika sikhale sithenga ice cream sibukela TV khale until you feel better or talk to my friends about it. What is your personal coping mechanisms?
I will say I have that one friend. I will spend an hour or two almost every day. Ngimkhalela, not literal, but ngisho ukuthi hey kwenzeka ukuthi 1 2 3 the time kwenzeka ukuthi 1 2 kwakonakala. So I will say abantu bangazothi hayi maybe bakakhuluma, but on other side ngiyakwazi ngikhulume ngivente ukuthi hayi akuhambi kahle. Yes, noma nga encourage from time to time mangihlalele nje ngedwa. I would say ukukhuluma kuyasiza, kuyakwazi uhile ukhulume nalomuntu ozokhuluma naye kugcina kudlula. But I encourage you, let's continue to create ama memories ngoba ekugcineni mase kuhlukene kubhlungu but uyakhumbula kusekuhle.
Sonic?
I think it differs with age.
Let's talk about where you are today.
Where I am today, okay. Where I am today is I've developed a very good relationship with my mother where we speak about a lot of things. I'm also grateful with the job I do because I interact with listeners and I forget my problems. And mostly weekends, you know, you're out and about gigging and you play music and you're rocking people and you're making people so happy, you know. And you end up forgetting, okay, this is what I'm dealing with. You was aside, and that's how I cope with it's music, it's radio, and obviously making my mom a safe space. And ukhuluma ke nabo Neves ukuthi abo Neves bahle kana and uNeves strict, like uNeves is one person that taught me that you can't complain about the same problem over and over again. You end up being the problem. So every time, like there's a relationship again. You know, dog, but is it pelile lento? When are you gonna accept it? You know. So I needed to accept that. Okay, ngiyakhuluma no Nevzi, ngiyakhuluma with certain people, but music, radio, Oleti, and some of our chants. That's how I normally cope with.
And before you enter Neves, Sonic is touching on umsebenzi esiwenzayo. When I listen to iSex Indaba ngena ngama Thursday ngibambile. Istory sikamlaleli I relate.
100%.
Kukhona nje podcast ekhuluma ngokuthi ishow esiyenzile. Do not trust kakhulu. Uthemba kakhulu. Abantu bazokudlala. Bathembi kakhulu ngoba uzolimala the more uthemba kakhulu, the more the heartbreak iba nkulu kakhulu.
You know, gents, I think you touched on two important things. The most important one that stands out for me is remembering the good times. For me, that was the best way to get over heartbreak was bekumnandi ngalesa sikhathi.
Basa umkhumbuli mo?
Manje
sengiyasho phela.
Nah. Life has gone on kumnandi manje. In fact, funny enough, she reached out to me through a friend. And I said to his friend, ungamniki number, but masonke ungamfonela ngikhulume naye.
The high school sweetheart?
Yeah.
Okay.
And she's like, you know, trying to run it back. And I'm like, nah, man, it's gone. Iphelile, like, it's old, man. This thing is in excess of 15 years. And when I saw yakanga nje kuphela, you know. Before we wrap, I've got one more last one. This is a trick question. Do you think men have capacity to love more than one woman? Not lust. Love.
Yeah, I'd like to believe it. Yes, I'd like to believe I'm out. Can love more than one woman. Like I've loved before, but it doesn't mean I can't love again.
Yes.
So
at the same time,
yeah, I've loved more than one woman at the same time.
Okay.
I've done it before.
Okay.
I had span of girlfriend at some point, and in what hand?
Okay.
Yeah, ngoba pheliva lalikhishwa ngelinye ilimi.
Yeah.
I will say yes, but kuyahluka ngabantu. I mean, I don't believe ukuthi ngakwazi ukubamela. Yabo, so I can maintain ukuthi nabantu more than one, but yeah, kuyenzeka.
Okay.
Kuyenzeka.
Are you coming out, Neves?
About
loving more than one?
No, I mean, as I said to you guys, uthando lukhona.
Yeah.
Luningi futhi. I just think ukuthi tolerance is the issue.
Yeah.
You know, I might love you, but can I tolerate you?
And you always come back home.
Yeah.
You know? Gents, the ubumnandi bothando is exactly that. Is that as much as you can give it, but there are parts of you that you know what wins a little bit more than other, and you have to then try and balance it with yourself. So I'm not coming out of nothing. I'm staying right where I am.
Hey, but it's limele, my friend.
I
limele.
Window.
Negotiator, he had love bite.
How?
Umuntu wamafele love.
Hayi.
And
Wamxolela.
eskele babecama ukuthi mina.
Sure.
And you know what you know when we started dating ngakutshena ukuthi ngangajwayele neThekwini, it was one of those moments. And then I downplayed ukudina kwami ngathi hey at least iThekwini yabo. Hey, but years later I confess wathi hayi kwakumjida.
So wamxolela wena.
At that time, yes.
Awunothando mfana.
Nginalo vele. Nginalo vele.
So i-forgiveness iyahamba nothando.
Iyahamba mfethu.
Ish.
But wenze njani uma ubanjiwe sendlela umbambileke? What do you talk about because you speak about this thing?
And ibelokhu surely idlala engqondweni yakho ukuthi I know kwenza.
But then how do you deal with that? Because then you don't answer like for example you uyamfonela kaphendula call, the first thing that comes out is going to be that why angaphendula ifone kusho uthi
hayi
mina ngamfonela ngimvusa athi ngiyabonga ungivusa sengizofonela umuntu ozongilanda efonele athi
yo
hayi Bafethi ngiyabonga kakhulu for isikhathi senu. I wish we could go on. There's so much more that we could touch on, but I think this is a start. Have a happy Valentine's. Nibaspoile labantu bafethi.
So bona
nani banspoile baniphathe kahle.
Nibasa nakwiDerby nangomhla ka18 Sundowns Pirates nakulokhu nibahambisa nje.
Akunantombi yahamba ibhola. Siyabonga.
Shapu.
Gagasi FM.